This is the tank. Your kids will absolutely enjoy this DIY process of installing and uninstalling this puzzle game. It includes 6 sets of different scenic projects. While playing, the kids will learn the principle of various dynamics such as solar, wind, and motor, etc. You can fix with screws, so no glues needed, and it's made of non-toxic premium material. The 4-wheel drive, wind off-road vehicle, biplane, tank, solar helicopter, off-road vehicle. So keep watching right now while my son will install and uninstall one or some of these projects. It comes also with manuals for each one, so keep watching. We are going to start with the tank, and it comes with batteries. Okay, we need to deassemble. Let's see. Number one is, let's get this piece here.
Okay.
This big piece. Okay. Oh, so we need to put the screws.
Oh.
You see this?
Yeah.
Here in this picture in the manual, you will see number 1, number 2, number 3. So you need to get those pieces and start installing, and it will show you here like a magnet or something where you are going to put the screws. So I put the first one here, and I'm gonna put the second one. As you see, it is screwing in to make it steady and it doesn't just fall. We're gonna continue doing this to all the tank, and we will show you the final result. We need to put it from here.
Oopsies.
Whoopsies. And that's it.
Oh.
This is the tank. And if we install the batteries from here, it will start driving by itself. I hope you like our little video. We will continue playing with the rest. Thank you for watching. Cheers.